I want to look at the following limiting reagent problem today. We're given a balanced chemical equation, and what we want to know is if we put together 20.0 grams of aluminum and 55 grams, it says 55 grams, it should say 55.0 grams of HCl, which reagent is limiting and how much AlCl3 will be formed. Well, we're going to look at the aluminum and the HCl. So if we start with our aluminum, looking at how much we have, and we're going to convert that to moles, and then we're going to go from moles of AlCl3, from moles of aluminum to moles of AlCl3. Then we're going to convert that to grams of AlCl3. This is a standard stoichiometry problem. We're going to find that this combination would give us 98.8 grams of AlCl3 if we started with 20.0 grams of aluminum and had plenty of HCl. On the other hand, if we look at HCl and we convert a number of grams of HCl to moles of HCl, and we convert moles of HCl to moles of AlCl3 using the ratio from our balanced chemical equation, the 6:2 ratio, and then we convert those moles of AlCl3 to grams of AlCl3. We find that 55.0 grams of HCl will give us 67.0 grams of AlCl3, aluminum trichloride. So what this means is that the HCl is the limiting reagent because it runs out. We can only make 67.0 grams of aluminum trichloride. So we've answered both of our questions. Which one runs out, the limiting reagent, and how much AlCl3 will be formed. Let's suppose we wanted to ask another question. How much of our excess reagent, the aluminum, would be left? Well, we know that we're going to be making 67.0 grams of AlCl3 because that's what we've made when the HCl runs out. We convert that to moles of AlCl3 and then to moles of aluminum, and actually this is upside down, isn't it? Because the aluminum should be on the top and the AlCl3 should be on the bottom because that's what runs out, and that's what we're that's not what runs out, that's what we're canceling out, I should say. So now that we have that ratio correct, and we convert the moles of Al to grams of Al, and we find that in making our 67 grams of aluminum, we used up 13.6 grams of aluminum. So how much is left? Well, we started with 20 grams, we used 13.6, so we have 6.4 grams of aluminum left.